Let's just move to this aspect of building and working with networks, right? So you are the group chair of EGN, or the Executive Global Network. How can coaches better leverage these networks and partnerships, Lauren?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, the EGN Executive Global Network has, I still am affiliated with them. They just fulfill an incredible function of bringing together, allowing people to come into a community, very safe environment to share and explore. So when I look at coaching, I just go, how come us coaches are not, we could be doing more of this too. And I sometimes, I wonder that, certainly in my own world and life, the relationships that I build along the way, that I happen to meet somebody, or we'll meet other groups of individuals who are also coaches, we'll end up actually just connecting and clicking and just saying, hey, I'd love to, share with you some of my challenges, or get your thoughts on some particular thing. So I do believe that we can continue to build communities. I think they called it this old world communities of practice, but I guess it's a community of sharing, and without it there being a exchange and a barter in some sense, because it's the coaching, once you've been, what it's like yourself. I mean, having a mentor coach to help yourself as a coach see things that maybe to support your own growth and development, really, really critical. The same way of just bringing together, small little communities of coaches to share, to exchange. Maybe there's opportunities that come out. There's definitely learning and insights, and that sort of builds that fulfills and opens the values, I suppose, that underpin coaching too, which is really helping us all learn and grow and contribute to make the world somewhat a little bit better through every little conversation we're able and privileged to have.
Absolutely, absolutely wonderful. So all of us are in this job, or in this role of making others great, and in that process we have to have this continuous learning that's become a part of pretty much every human being these days, right? How much and how we do it is different, but then we'll have to learn every day. How do you become a better coach every day, Lauren?
When I think of myself about sort of 16 years ago as a coach, and now I would not say inverted coach, because I was a coach and I was doing all this stuff, but I think it's something that's just part of you. It's a practice. It's not something that I'm one thing with my clients and I walk out the door and go and interact with friends and family and I'm something else with them. I think that learning really comes with just accepting ourselves for who we are, with all our frailties and failures, and but also looking around and just going, the conversation, that's the only thing that really, that exists, that can bind and bring people together, is having conversation, engaging. And that may just be where I've seen my own ability to help people, even though I thought, gosh, I'm quite taken aback that person thought I did so much. But thank you. And then it made me just realize, actually, the power of conversations, the power of questions, the power of listening, the mindset of just being open, and just holding that space for people to be able to share and exchange and just say, this is what I'm really thinking and feeling about life, about me, about my team, about whatever it is.
Wonderful, wonderful, very nice.